Candy Captain's Popcorn Factory was started by a 7-year-old and a 5-year-old. I think that's very unique, number one. The fact that we are the only popcorn factory in the Bahamas and in the Caribbean makes us extremely unique. Another fact is the fact that we offer up to 45 different flavors of gourmet popcorn that you can come into the store and sample as much as you like for as long as you like. I've been involved with the AWE program, which has been very beneficial to our business model. We have started over 6 years ago, and since then, we had reached out a few times to SBDC, but hearing them come to Grand Bahama and doing the AWE program for females, entrepreneurs especially, was very exciting. So when we applied and they accepted our application and invited us to join the cohort 4, we were ecstatic. It's been a beautiful journey. It was long, but worth it because everything was extremely professional. The mentors were, outstanding. And of course, the program itself was extremely beneficial for our phase 2 of Candy Captains. Be persistent. We have endured Dorian, lost a lot during that time. We've endured COVID-19, lost a lot during that time. We've endured the challenges that Grand Bahama has had overall within the past 6 years. And we're still standing, and I'm sure you can as well. Just be persistent and don't give up. Hold on to your dreams and work hard and find creative ways of streamlining your business and ensuring that you get exactly what you want done in the best way possible with the best help possible, like the SBDC.